It's 7 o'clock on the dot. Where's Usher? Where's Usher? Cause it's early. It's early. Well, hey. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased everything with my own coin, not Ken today, okay? All my money, all right? So in today's video, I will be showing you guys my 5-minute hair and makeup. And you know, I must say, I'm kind of here for this. It is also Sip and Slam. I got my tea on deck because your girl is still recovering from Essence Fest, okay? I was bouncing around with Drew Hill. My knees and my throat are shot. You hear me? I was screaming. But it's also early in the morning, so you know, it could be that as well. But you know, as always, before we get into this look, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so let me get another sip of tea real quick because I'm waking up, y'all. It's early. It is but I want to do this hair with you guys, so that's why I'm posting late. So I got my scarf here and I got my hair. All this is from Amazon, so I'm hoping that it works out the way I want it, because if it don't, I guess I ain't gonna have a video today. Let me get my voice together. Come on, come on. All right, so first things first, I got my She Is Bomb Edge Control. We're gonna see if this works on my hair and not leave me all greasy, because sometimes it leaves me greasy. I don't know if I'm using it right, but we're gonna try it again. So push my hair back. We're gonna put some down here like this. I don't like when they uneven. My forehead be looking lopsided. Now let's put on my wig cap, like that. Okay, perfect, perfect. All right, now time for the hair. You get some bobby pins, some earrings, and a bow. Okay, well, this is really curly, and I'm pretty sure it has a bang. It has a bang. It does. This is my first time rocking one of these joints with the bang on it. You get the curly top, and then you get the bang. The bang has clips on it, I guess, so you can clip it in place. I won't be doing that. The pony portion has a drawstring, so you can tighten it down. So I'm not wearing a ponytail, I'm wearing this. So I'm gonna try to see if I can clip it to, oh, it has a comb too. So I'm gonna clip mine to here. Okay, let me fluff it out a little bit. I'm just gonna clip it into my wig cap. And then for my scarf, I have this little joint right here. So I got it from Amazon as well. It's jersey fabric, so you know it stretches. Okay, I don't know how to tie scarves, so don't judge me. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up like this. All right, now we're gonna fluff this out. I don't need too much of this, so I'm gonna tuck some of this in. Let me tuck some of this in here, like this. Use some bobby pins. Make sure this is down in the back, like that. Tuck it in. I'm just gonna pull this hair out. Make sure it's fluffy enough. I'm getting a little shedding with it, not a lot though. Let me cut this one. Keep fluffing and pulling and fluffing and pulling. Okay, so I got the hair together. Now let me go ahead and do a little bit of makeup, nothing crazy. Hold up, hold up. Let me see. Brush my brows up. I'm gonna use a little bit of my orange corrector around my dark spots. Uh-oh, wait, I didn't put on my, see, I'm rushing. I didn't put on my, my primer. Blend that together. No, thank you. Okay, blend that all together like that. Okay, then I'm gonna do my brows. So the trick that I like to do when I'm trying to rush is I put my glasses on and see when my eyebrows kind of follow the brow line of the glasses. That's what I use. And I'm using my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. And then I'll take them off, brush them out a little bit. Then I'll use my 415 Honey, okay, my L'Oreal concealer, and cut these bad boys out. Make sure I can see. And put the rest on my lid like that. Blend, blend, blend. Let me prop my mirror up right here so I can see. Use my Juvia's Place brow pen. Brush this all out. And next up, I'm gonna add some powder to my eyes. This is the Black Radiant Soft Focus powder all over the lid. Blend it in with a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna do my foundation. So I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Now normally I use the D50, but I have been using the D40 because I realized that's closer to my shade in the season that I'm in now. So yeah, I guess when I started using that, I was a little bit darker, but since I've been in the house a lot, my skin tone has pretty much evened out. So I'm not D50, I'm D40, okay? Let me use my concealer again. This is the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. Under my eye, lift those eyes up because I'm tired. Okay. I guess I don't need to do that because my bang is gonna be hiding it. So don't be wasting product if you don't gotta waste it. You already know I'm hitting brim, okay? So don't judge me. I told you I'm using everything out of this daggone container. I'm using my contour on my cheekbone, under my chin, and then down my nose. Get the nose together. That's good, that's good. I'm gonna use a little bit of eyeshadow. Just kind of open these eyes up a little bit. And because I have pretty much perfected my makeup, it takes me about 5 minutes to do it. Because I know where everything is, I know where everything goes, I know how to blend it together and melt it together, and I'm not using a bunch of products, so it's not a lot to blend out. You get what I'm saying? So when I say 5-minute face, I mean that. Now I didn't know I was gonna do this, that's why I'm doing it, you know, kind of backwards. Normally I do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation and concealers. She changed it up on us? No, I just didn't. I didn't think I was gonna do the eyeshadow, but here I is. Blend out the contour. What I'm doing? Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna take my concealer and blend that out. Blend up. I need some more concealer though. I'm running real low on that joint, so I need to add it to my shopping list. How we looking so far? Looking hot. Looking damn hot. Something's in my eye. I'm gonna put some water on my sponge. And I'm gonna use my sponge, my damp sponge, to blend out my nose contour. Blend it together. I don't know why I'm like this either. Don't at me. I told y'all it's early and I'm delirious, okay? Now I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and set where I put that concealer. Go ahead and pat it in, because we not baking, okay? We're just gonna set and move, set and move. Go, 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 go. Again, why am I doing my forehead? My forehead is hidden. Lord, wasting product. Got that all in. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of my setting spray, just some misting, like that. I need a little bit more. That was better. Can't be basking in nothing. Goodness gracious. How are we looking? Powders. I need to do my powders. All right, use my Black Radiance contour. This is the medium to dark palette. Hidden pan, but that's what I'm using. Don't judge me. I told you, every single drop of every single product. I'm using my Juvia's Place bronze palette, using the dark shade, or not the dark shade, but the dark palette, using the top shade though. Little bronzy look. Again, forehead. You don't need the forehead. My 360 powder, put a little bit on a blending brush. Set my nose. Do that too, because why not? Mascara and lashes. Now where is the daggone glue? Right here in my face. It's 7 o'clock on the dot. Where's Usher? Where's Usher? Cause it's early. It's early. Let's just wave it. Let's wave it. I'm impatient. It's not germs if it's my breath. Let me know. The lashes I'm using will be linked in my Amazon store as well. Y'all see how it woke me up? Y'all see how I did that? I still need tea though. I'm gonna set my face with a little bit of the 360, just to like that. That's it. Melt it all together. I'm about to do my forehead again. Look, I caught myself. It don't matter what highlight you use, just use it. Just a touch of highlight. Well, I hear the mail truck. I hear the mail truck. Now I need to do some inner corner highlight. Real, like, what is it, iridescent? Iridescent? Fluorescent? I don't know, it's sparkly. Let me spray her down. Oh, duh, gloss. A little bit of my KieGalore. Ooh, so nice, so nice. Now let me fix my hair. Fluff and pull. You want it to look, you know, messy. So I'm just gonna keep pulling to get the look that I want. Is that it? I think so. Ooh, it's early, it's early. What am I doing up this early? I can't. Somebody asked Ja. Where's Ja? But what I do know is that this look came together. I'm so glad that I tried this. I have not been interested in the bang puff situation. It just wasn't really my thing. When it came to the human hair wigs, I was skipping right over that. Let me press this, hold up. But I'm glad that I tried it now, and it was cheap. I didn't have to waste no money on no human hair joint that I wasn't gonna like. And you don't need edges for this one. You don't need edges, you don't need a hairline. You can wrap the scarf as tight as you want to around your dome right here and still get the bang and puff situation and be just fine, okay? So I definitely think this is a cute little look. My edges are not the same. What's going on? Trying to be cute with the curly cues, but it wasn't working like that. Do I want hoops? Let me see. I want the hoops. Ooh, she cute, y'all. She cute. I need a little bit more contour. Get these cheeks together. Now, of course, everything I did in this video, you don't gotta do it, okay? You can skip right over certain parts if you don't want to, but I do think you should check out the hair and the wrap, but everything will be linked down below in my Amazon store. Not my mug though, okay? That's not from Amazon, okay? But if they're taking orders right now, I will link the mug down below as always with a coupon code, okay? Hold on, Kenny calling me. Now, did he call me and he on the phone?
I did call you. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on hold and he'll pick up. You're beautiful.
Thank you. He trying to get something. He ain't slick. But how we looking, y'all? How we think this looks? I think that side profile is a vibe. You hear me? It looks, ooh, it looks good. Let me turn to the back, because I know somebody gonna ask me, you didn't turn to the back, sis. Here we go, okay? My wrapping skills could have been a little bit better. It could have been a little bit more flush, but I ain't worried about it. So the bang puff situation was $16, and the wrap comes in a set of 4. They're $19. You don't got to do a whole face of makeup like I did. You can definitely just wear some mascara and some, you know, some chapstick. But put your brows on though. Put your brows on. Stop scaring your kids, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put all the products down below, so if you guys want to check anything out, you can do that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.